Hey, everybody, it's Angela Heath. I have two quick things for you. Number one, happy Thanksgiving. Enjoy yourself. I know it may be a different kind of holiday for most of us because we're not traveling to be with our families. But number two is because you register for GigCon, I am giving you a Black Friday special on one of my courses. Yes, it's the virtual speaking quick start. It's a 4-hour course that's jam-packed with information that you want to know in order to use speaking as a business development tool. We're going to be talking about how do you take your offline information and bring it online. That includes your PowerPoint and the structure of the content that you want to share. We will also provide for you the excite and delight paradigm, which you will be able to excite your audience and delight them, and they will be so grateful that you came to speak to them. We will help you look like an expert. So that includes fun things like these types of backgrounds, what make them look a little bit better, and also your camera, your lights and action kind of thing. And then finally, we are going to help you with your business building strategy, how you are going to use speaking as a business development tool. So you get both. You're going to get strategy and you're going to get skills. So there's a link below. Go ahead and sign up. We've got 2 dates for you, December 1st and December 9th. It is a 4-hour intense program. And no, you will not just be listening to me talk. You are going to be talking yourself, and you are going to be developing your strategy for 2021. So that's it, guys. Have a great Thanksgiving, and I hope to see you in the Virtual Speaking Quick Start School. All righty, bye-bye.